Okay, we want to find the value of each of the 6 trigonometric functions of the triangle ABC. The first thing I need to do is find the side A, and I'll use the Pythagorean theorem for that. So I know that A squared plus B squared, which is 4 squared or 16, is equal to C squared, which is 2 square root of 5 squared. So I know A squared plus 16 is equal to 2 square root of 5 would be 4 times 5 or 20. So A squared equals 4, so A is equal to 2. So I have A that equals 2 here. Now I just define each of my trig functions. So I know that the sine of theta is opposite, which is A is 2 over hypotenuse, which is the 2 square root of 5. And we could simplify this to be 1 over the square root of 5. And we can rationalize the denominator if we like, multiplying top and bottom by the square root of 5. We'd have square root of 5 over 5. The cosine function, the cosine of theta, is adjacent over hypotenuse, which would be 4, would be the side B, over 2 square root of 5, which is the same as 2 over the square root of 5, just canceling. And again, we could rationalize the denominator by multiplying top and bottom by the square root of 5. That'd be 2 square root of 5 over 5 for the cosine of theta. Tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. So that's just 2 over 4, which is equal to 1/2. And then we can find all our reciprocal tangent or trig functions. The cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of the sine of theta, or 1 over the sine of theta. So I'm just going to look at this term here. 1 over the square root of 5, the reciprocal of that would be square root of 5. If I look at the secant of theta, that's 1 over the cosine of theta. And again, I'm just going to look at 2 over the square root of 5. Take the reciprocal of that would be the square root of 5 over 2. And then finally, the cotangent of theta is 1 over the tangent of theta, and the reciprocal of 1/2 is just 2. So we have all of our trig functions. We first find all the sides of the triangle with the Pythagorean theorem, and then we could just take the ratios of our triangle to find the 6 trig functions.